Welcome back, everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in to another video of mine where I collect all these beautiful models, all these die-cast models, as we're gonna continue doing this week. Star Wars, yay! Because it's May the 4th. Yes! We're gonna do that typical Star Wars thing. We are unboxing a dark side today. We're unboxing the TIE Fighter, the Star Destroyer, and the Snow Speeder. Alright, let's open up the Snow Speeder. And we're almost done with the week. And here we go. Now, first things first, the weight on this one is awesome. It is heavy. Look at the little stormtroopers. Very cool, man. I very like this one. So I haven't, to be honest, guys, I have not seen this movie. I have not seen The Last Jedi. I have not seen any of the new movies. And it's not because I don't want to. It is just because I just don't want to watch it in crappy resolution. I don't want to watch it in crappy resolution. I want to watch it in HD, Blu-ray, and all that stuff. But yeah, someday I want to buy the movies so I can go watch them at my in-laws. Yeah, but this badass TV that quality, man, the quality. You got, if there's movies that you enjoy watching, you gotta watch them the right way. Oh, there it is, the TIE Fighter. Now this one is not as heavy. The what do you call these? The sails, the wings, or whatever. They're kind of plasticky, but overall, it's very cool. Just as a display piece, this one looks like it's easier to break if you just hand it over to your kids, which I don't think I will. I think I'll just keep this one intact. Now look at that. That's very cool detail on the side. Que bonito, que padre, que padre. Now these are very cool display pieces. Alright, now let's go with the last one, the Star Destroyer. So when I found these, all of these, I had my brother on the line, I think. I was talking to him on the phone when I was walking up to the store, to be specific, the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, I think it was. I kind of got freaking excited because I saw Star Wars. I told him. I hanged up right away. I started, putting all of them in my basket. All of them for $1. I really did not spend more than $1. Maybe the taxes. That was a great find. That was one of the best finds I've ever had, and hope I ever have more of those. Look at that Star Destroyer. Let's focus it. Now there's some details. Look at that. In the little seams and the cracks where the little ship's going. See if I can focus it. There you go. Very cool, very cool. Bottom part, you got some more detail. And you got all the markings there for the models. There you go, the number. I think I have it upside down. Model number. I'm assuming here, people. Now, the back side, the little boosters in blue. I've seen this one for sure with more detail, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too familiar, guys. So you guys gotta let me know. What do you guys know about all these pieces? Cause I don't know. I don't know that much. I just know I love the movies. I love Star Wars. I love Hot Wheels. I love these die-cast models. If they weren't that expensive, I would buy more of these. But reason why they're so expensive is because so much detail goes into them, where they need to get their money back. Come on, this is a cool hobby, and people gotta get paid. Get their monies in. So thank you. This is the pre-final video. The next one will be one of the final unboxings, and then I'll probably do a recap, a small overview of the whole Star Wars week here in FreeMyWheels. So I hope you all have a great month, a great Star Wars journey. If you're waiting for the more movies to come out, the more shows, there's so much Star Wars that is going to come out. I'm excited. I can't complain. I mean, there's so much and here's just me ranting here. I don't have a particular. I'm not a big fanboy of the old ones, and I'm not a big fanboy of the new Star Wars. I'm a fanboy of all Star Wars. So the more, the merrier. If good or bad, I'll enjoy everything. I'll enjoy everything. Take it as it is, and if it's not good, just I won't watch it again. But Star Wars, that's my shiz. I love it. Hope y'all love it too. Leave a like if you do, and if you don't, tell me in the comments. Yay, cool, thank you. See you next time. Bye.